This is Morgan here from Fletcher Trading. Today we're going to be looking at a simple but very effective scalping strategy that you can start implementing today. If you want to see more strategies like this or trades that we're currently taking, then head over to the Telegram group. The link will be in the description below. So for this strategy, we're not going to be using any sort of support and resistance or higher time frame analysis. We're just going to be using two indicators. So the first one is the stochastic oscillator. So if I just throw it onto the screen here, we want the settings to be 5, 3, and 3. They're just the default settings that come with this indicator. So click OK. And then our second indicator is a custom indicator called the Elder algorithm. You can find this on the website fletchertrading.co.uk. So I'm currently on gold on the 1 minute chart, so I want the inputs to be 90 and 40. And then I click OK. As you can see here, we start to get some buy and sell signals. So what we're looking for here is after we get a signal, we're going to wait for the stochastic oscillator to start ticking up if it's a buy signal, or if it's a sell signal, we're going to wait for it to start ticking down. So my other strategies, when I'm using the stochastic oscillator, I'm waiting for it to pass back below 80 or back above 20. We're not going to be doing that as we are on the 1 minute chart. Prices are moving a lot faster, so we're just going to wait for it to start to tick down if we're looking for sells and start ticking up if we're in a buy position. So we look at this first position here. It goes down something around 10-15 pips after we had our signal, and that's what we're going to be looking to take here. Anything between 10 and 20 pips per move, and you're going to set your stop loss to something around 10-15 pips as well. So we're looking for a risk to reward of about 1 for 1 or better, maybe even 1 for 2. So I'm just going to scroll back here so you can see some of the signals that you would get using this strategy. So you can see here, this first one is about 10 or 15 pips. Then we have two more here, they're about the same, something around 20 to 30 pips. And then we have our first one here that would not work, and you would lose out 15 pips on this trade. Then we have two more nice ones here. You could capture something around 10, maybe 15 pips on this move, and same goes for this one here. Then we have another nice sell signal here, and another buy signal here. So with this strategy, we're not going to be trading with the trend, we're simply going to be jumping in and out the market and taking advantage of these oscillations. So this is gold on the 1 minute chart. With gold, you can experience an accuracy of something around 75% when you're using this software. And we would recommend using something around a 15 pip stop loss and looking to take somewhere around 15 to 20 pips per move. I'll just show you a few more of the trades here. As you can see, you have a nice buy signal here, two more buy signals there, another buy here, some sell there. If you want to get your hands on this software, then head over to the website fletchertrading.co.uk. And if you want to stay up to date with the trades that we're currently taking, then head over to the Telegram group. The link for that will be in the description below.